Hey everyone and welcome back to Crypto Scores. Today we are looking at a simple but telling indicator, GitHub before crypto. It tells you whether the project's development started before or after the token was created. And that says a lot about the team's intentions. So, this metric shows the date of the first commit on the project's GitHub. That's the first time code was officially submitted. Then it compares that date to when the cryptocurrency was created. The result is a number of days, positive if GitHub came first, negative if the token came first. The logic here is straightforward. If a team builds the code before launching the token, it demonstrates that the project was built on substance. The technology came first, the fundraising came second. If the token was created before any code existed on GitHub, it raises questions about priorities. So let's take a look at two examples over there. We will take Solana and Ethereum. When you click on Security Score and you scroll down, you will see the GitHub before crypto here in green for Ethereum and here neutral for Solana. For Ethereum, we can see there is 589 days before. That means the code existed almost 2 full years before the token launched. That's a massive head start on development. The project was building long before there was any financial incentive. Green here means the foundations were solid before the money entered the picture. For Solana, it's different. As you can see, it's minus 63 days, no color. The token was created 63 days before the GitHub showed activity. That doesn't automatically mean anything negative. Many legitimate projects launch their token and repository in close proximity, but compared to Ethereum 589 days of pre-token development, you can see the contrast. Use this as a credibility signal. A large positive number in green, the team was building before the money. That inspires confidence. A negative number, it means the token came first. Not necessarily a red flag, but worth noting in your overall assessment. And of course, click through this number to go to the GitHub page to see the full development history for yourself. As always, you are the analyst. Crypto Scores gives you the tools, you connect the dots. GitHub before crypto, did the code come first or the money? Check it on cryptoscores.com and we will see you there in the next one.